Hello, what's up? Good morning, Satanan. Happy Sunday. So it's currently, what time is it? It's about 10, it's about 10:48. So if you're wondering why it's dark, sobra ka timing kay napunder akong ilaw just a couple days ago. So timing gid kay siya. And anyway, so today is a Sunday. The plan is lunch with my family and coffee with Tony and Sween later in the afternoon, and then uli because I have a flight tomorrow to Manila. Let's see how today goes. And we'll take you on our family lunch, show you something you ordered because of course dugay-dugay pa may makabalik, and it's gonna be a busy day today, tomorrow, and the day after. So let's see. Guys, on the way na sa church pasunod na mother. Guys, so na namin dito sa Roadhouse karon. So wala ko naka-vlog. Ako gipa-drive sa Isakay. Sakit daw yung tiil. But anyway, here we are. Get down. But anyway, here we are at Roadhouse. Oh. Aside.
Sige, pag-vlog na diha, Jong. Apit na ka, Jong. Bita ko chicken, dalawa.
Small ako, ma'am.
Small lang kay dalawa. Tapos isa rin ko ka table, isa din.
Nyakuan.
Tapos, isa pa.
Sisling bulalo. Katong sisling bulalo nila.
Slim bulalo, small, dalawa.
Tapos ano, pusit.
Pusit.
Ay, sinugbang pusit, no?
Sige.
Siya kay
Dalawang pusit din.
Laki ka dito.
Tapos, wala ko nakakaon niya na po. O isa ka, isa gusto salmon.
Kasi sama.
Kasi kailangan natin may isa.
Ay, na-invite si Stella.
May busy ko. Asa nila?
Hi, B. Kiss.
Oh my God. Popular yung chef pa. Dani. Nice hair!
Uy,
Ay, wala lang, wala lang.
pinila.
Nice hair! Wow!
Wala.
Bakit siyaan? Baka nang dugay maka nakadesign sa baba. 10 minutes.
Kaya online mo
Pag ano na lang.
Online mo bilhin.
Ang puno, wala pa siya. Kuan.
Sa chat room,
Wala
grabe.
pa kadalagan sa hotel.
Mapagaan po.
Taktis mahal po sa Thailand. Rad 50 isa, 50 pesos.
Umiawi kami, Rensen niya.
As in. Lahi ko na siya, te. Lahi ko na siya nga. Daghan ako na siya klase.
Tagaan. Anong kuan lang siya? Parang natural. Parang 3 hours na natural lang.
Naka-okay na, doon?
Ah.
Yan. Ang naon ni Bibi, butang mo niya lahat.
Gani, tutok-tutukan niya. Watermelon daw.
Gano'n na lang. Mango shake daw. Nag-order mo?
Puso din.
Water! 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 Nasa water? Biya! Ha? Nada rin guys.
Super busog. Mga pipa daw ni after. So, let's see. So what's up? Good evening. So it's 11:02. Still Sunday evening. So basically this is the end and a start of a new video, guy. I'm about to head to the airport for an early flight to Manila. So basically this ends the Sunday vlog with the family. Wala na ako naka-video but well, let's see what I can upload. Kung sa'yo makita ninyo sa video na lang when I upload this. Nakaupan niyo ni Tony, aka Bisayang VA. So let's see kung sa ko ma-upload. So if you're wondering, it's still dark. Nagsuga lang gid ko. Okay, wala gyapon ko'y light. But by the time makabalik ko, hopefully naan na. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Kung na may katanaw. And yes, this is the countdown vlog. Okay. So, kung gusto mo subaybay, salamat. Subaybay lang. Okay, let's go. And stay tuned for the next vlog.